Digital marketing is more than just posting on Instagram or running ads. It's a strategy to connect with your audience online through various channels like search engines, social media, email, and many more. Whether you are a small business owner, a content creator, or just curious about marketing, digital marketing has something for everyone. Let me know in the comment which digital platform do you spend the most time? Instagram, YouTube, or TikTok? I would love to hear your thoughts. Comment below. In today's world, if you're not online, you are invisible. Here's why digital marketing is critical. Number one, reach a global audience. Unlike traditional marketing, you can connect with anyone and anywhere and the way you want to connect with your target audience. Number two, it's cost effective. Whether you are spending 1 rupee, $1, $5 on ads or leveraging free tools like social media, it's extremely budget friendly. So, if you are thinking about utilizing digital marketing as one of your go to tools for spreading awareness about your product and services, this video will help you understand how can you leverage digital marketing to expand your business, to expand your visibility and build credibility online. Number three, measurable results. Tools like Google Analytics let you track what's working and what's not. There are various tools and techniques that can be used in the digital marketing framework that will help you design your approach, understand the metrics, and act on those metrics so there are desired results achieved with the right approach. Think about Netflix. They don't just post trailer. They use data driven ads and personalized emails to keep you hooked. What's the last ad that made you stop scrolling? Share it in the comment below and I would love to hear from you. Of course, digital marketing isn't without its challenges. Here are some top ones most people face. Number one, standing out in a crowded space. With so many brands trying to grab attention, it's tough to be unique. So think about how you can position yourself with your unique selling preposition or unique selling positioning. Number two, understanding algorithms. Whether it's Instagram's feed or Google search ranking, algorithm can be confusing. Spend some time in understanding these algorithms because there are free tools that provide you the knowledge that you need to understand these ranking systems, these algorithms very easily. Number three, consistency and time management. Staying active and creating quality content takes effort. So design your approach and brainstorm on how you want to make yourself visible in this digital media. Does this resonate with you? Drop a question in the comment box if you have struggled to keep up with content creation and I can help you with any kind of questions you have about content creation. If you want to understand the key components of digital marketing, let's dive deep into these concepts. Number one, SEO, which is search engine optimization. This helps your website rank higher on Google. Imagine typing best coffee shop. SEO ensures your business show up first if you design your strategy and your content according to the SEO parameters. Next is content marketing. From blogs to videos, content helps build trust. Remember, people buy from those they trust, and building social proof within your system, within your processes, will help you gain more visibility in the market. Number three, social media marketing. Platforms like Instagram and LinkedIn and YouTube aren't just for fun, they are powerful tools to engage and convert. So, why don't you design your approach to leverage these tools that can spread awareness about your product and generate leads that can ultimately convert them into your business? Next is email marketing. Emails aren't dead. With the right strategy, they can deliver massive return on investment. So think about your email list. Build your email list and target those potential customers with valuable and nurturing content. Next is PPC, which is pay per click advertising. Running ads on Google's or Facebook can bring instant traffic if done right. So think about what strategy do you want to implement. For example, if you have a YouTube channel, do you want to increase your views or do you want to increase your subscriber? That strategy can drive your pay per click campaign. Pause the video and write down which of these components you are most excited to try. Let's look at some actionable steps to get started. Number one, define your goals. What do you want to achieve? Brand awareness, leads, or sales? Start with your clear goals. Next is choose your platform. Don't try to be everywhere. Focus on where your audience spends the most time. For example, if you are into a recruitment agency, LinkedIn is your best platform. But if you are a fitness trainer, Instagram could provide you the right kind of leads that will help you grow your business. So think about which platform is very important for you to spread awareness about your product and services. Next is learn the basics. Platforms like Google Skillshop and HubSpot offers free courses to get you started. Why don't you design or dedicate 1 hour every day to learn from these free courses and get yourself equipped in terms of designing your digital marketing strategy? Next is create consistent content. Plan your content calendar and post regularly. Consistency builds trust. I'm going to do a content calendar live workshop with you all. Make sure that you join that live workshop. It's free, so you'll get an understanding about how you can create a content calendar. Next is measure and optimize. Track your performance and tweak your strategies based on the results. Which of these steps will you implement today? Let me know in the comments, and I'll be more than happy to understand how you're trying to approach this digital marketing information. Now, there are common questions that people have about digital marketing. Like, do I need a big budget to start digital marketing? No, start small with free tools like Canva for graphics and Google Analytics for tracking. There could be different questions you might have. How long does it take to see the results? SEO takes time, but paid ads can give you instant results. It depends upon your strategy, so think about what do you want to spend and when. The next question could be, is it too late to start digital marketing? Absolutely not. The online world is growing every day and there's always room for newcomers. Let me share a quick story. A small bakery started with just an Instagram page. By posting daily behind the scene content and running local ads, they tripled their sales in 6 months. So, what did you learn from this story? If you want to instantly build a presence in the market, use paid ads. But if you want to grow organically with your loyal customers, create content consistently and understand what your customer wants rather than what do you want to give to the customer. So what is the one step you can take today to overcome digital marketing challenges? Start by defining your goals and exploring one platform deeply. Consistency and focus are key. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel and share it with someone who needs this information. Let's grow together and keep watching my channel for more information around digital marketing and how you can grow your business online. Until then, be focused, be consistent, be dedicated, and be invincible.